Good afternoon, Chip here with Hybrid and Electric Car Sales, coming to you from my shop in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. What do we have on the lift today? 2017 Chevrolet Volt Premier. This is a car that we're preparing for sale. It came to us with no heat, and it's been cold the past couple of days, and having heat's pretty important. So we went through the various tests, and we found that one, the heater control module, this is a high voltage part, was actually bad. Now, this is something that we can test for, and the coolant comes in here cold and comes out of here hot. And this is what heats the car up when you're in EV mode. Now, these have been known to go bad, and this one, as you can see, the orange plug on there is a high voltage component. So this did go bad. Once we replaced that part, it was getting warm now, so we had heat, at least in that section of the car, but it was not making its way into the cabin. So that's when we discovered that this pump is bad. And what is this? This is a heater coolant pump. This brings the coolant from the heater box up into the cabin and allows the heat to circulate, the warm coolant to circulate and heat the inside when running in EV mode. Again, when you're in gas mode, the engine is providing the heat for the car, and that's circulating that coolant. So then there's a valve in there that changes the direction of everything and makes everything move. So this is on the main coolant loop anyway, with the engine, but again, it's on the side system of it. So we've had to replace both of these components. That's what we're doing now. I have my new help Austin here putting that part in. We're going to give you a tip here, okay, on doing this. If you're doing this coolant pump yourself, remove the passenger side axle, okay? We messed with it for about an hour trying to get that little pump out of there without taking the axle out just to save time. It doesn't come out. It's too tight up in there. So remove the passenger axle. It will give you all the access you need to replace that pump. But replacing the heater box itself is pretty straightforward. You don't need to take off a bunch of stuff. That just comes right out from the fender well. So hopefully that will help you out if you have this problem. If you have your heat out on your Gen 2 Volt, you can give me a call and I'll fix your car for you. Our number is 615-802-5550. We do use used parts. So this heater box right here is about $1,800 from the dealer. We get them used for about $400. So we can help you out and get you a used part, get you a warranty on that part, and get your heat back on the road for a much cheaper price than going to the dealer. And that's what we try to do here every day. Save you money on your parts, keep your hybrid and EV on the road for a very affordable cost. So 615-802-5550. You can check me out online at hybridandelectriccarsales.com, or you can come see me in person at 616 Bradley Court in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. Hope to see you all soon and talk to you soon.